Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of the corporate world, and sometimes it's not as pretty as the press releases make it sound. Today we're diving into eGain Corporation's latest report to see what's really going on behind the scenes. Is this just a routine update or are there some interesting moves being made? Let's find out. Alright, so this is an 8K filing, which usually means something significant has happened that the company needs to let investors know about right away. Usually this is about big company events like mergers or major changes in leadership. eGain is a company that provides cloud customer engagement software. They help businesses manage their customer service interactions and make them more efficient. Think about how you interact with companies online or through apps. eGain is likely involved in making that smoother for businesses. Now, this filing isn't about their quarterly financial results, but it does mention something pretty interesting. They've issued a warrant to a company called JPMC Strategic Investments I Corporation. Let's break down what that means. A warrant is basically like an option to buy shares of the company's stock in the future at a set price. So eGain has given JPMC the right to buy 500,000 shares of eGain's common stock at $7.10 per share. This happened on August 14, 2025. The reason they're filing this as an 8K specifically under other events is to announce this warrant issuance, and they mention it's exempt from registration under something called Section 4-22 of the Securities Act. This basically means they're saying it wasn't a public offering to everyone. JPMC has confirmed they are an accredited investor, which is a regulatory term for wealthier or more sophisticated investors. They're buying. This suggests a strategic move rather than just a quick cash grab. Here's where it gets really interesting. The warrant comes with a board observer agreement. This means someone from JPMC will get to attend eGain's board meetings and listen to what's being discussed. They won't have voting rights, of course, but having a seat at the table to observe is still a pretty significant level of influence and insight. It shows JPMC is taking a serious interest in eGain's direction and strategy. This kind of agreement often happens when a significant investment is made. It gives the investor a closer look at the company's operations and decision-making processes. It's a way for JPMC to monitor their investment and potentially offer guidance or strategic input. Think about it like this. eGain is bringing in a strategic partner who now has a front row seat to how the company is run. This could lead to new ideas, better strategic alignment, or even just a closer working relationship between the two companies. Now, while this filing doesn't give us the deep financial dive of 10Q or 10K, it tells us about a significant relationship being forged. eGain is essentially bringing on an important stakeholder. They're not just selling stock, they're bringing in a partner who's investing in their future and wants to be informed about how that future is being built. From a Warren Buffett perspective, we're always looking for companies with strong underlying businesses and smart management decisions. Bringing in a strategic investor like JPMC, who then demands a board observer seat, suggests that JPMC sees value in eGain's business and its future prospects. This can be a signal of confidence, but it also means eGain will be under more scrutiny to perform. So what does this mean for eGain's direction? On one hand, it's a vote of confidence from a financial institution, potentially bringing new capital or strategic alliances down the line. On the other hand, increased oversight means increased pressure to meet expectations and deliver results. This whole deal seems to be about solidifying a partnership and giving JPMC assurance about their investment. It's a strategic play that could benefit eGain if managed well by fostering a closer relationship with a key investor. To wrap up, this particular filing is less about the day-to-day numbers and more about a strategic alliance. It tells us eGain is actively seeking and forming important partnerships that involve more than just money. They're bringing in partners who want to be involved in the company's journey. What's your take on this partnership? Should eGain investors be excited about this new relationship, or should they be wary of the increased scrutiny? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights directly from the source. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.